Morning, guys. Tuesday. A lot of sandbanks at the block and the spit. Wherever you see this white water, that's sandbanks, and it's quite far out. Right, the tide is going out. Water's still dirty. They're going to start on this bridge, I believe. Got a couple of cars at the top here already. Blocked off that section where you go down and you park by the Elephant Rock. And there's another section they blocked off on the other side on the right. But yeah, you can have a throw today. I'm sure if you find a gully, nice spot, there should be some bronze bream or a brusher. But I would say the spit's not looking very good. Plenty sandbanks here, plenty. Enjoy your day.